So you've got a 3.6 liter Pentastar engine making a tick noise. Let's take a quick look at where it's coming from and how easy it is to repair. Alright guys, here I am. I've got the cam caps just loosened up and I'm able to sneak this rocker out of here. You will have to rotate the camshafts. I went right to the crankshaft harmonic balancer so that way I could do that. Now here is one of the rockers. Once I got it out, you can see all this play. That should be tight. That's where the rattle noise was coming from. That's what I was trying to show you in my intro video when I was shaking it. It does rattle pretty loud. I'm not sure why the camera wasn't picking it up, but that's fine. I pulled all rockers out of this side of the engine to inspect all of them. This was the only side that had noise. You can see the one rocker there just to the left of the one I'm working on right now is brand new. It only had one bad rocker and that's all the customer wanted to replace. So they were kind of expensive. I would have to say if you're going here, putting all new rockers in is probably a good idea. But with a 200,000 mile engine like this vehicle had, I was okay with the guy saying he only wanted to do the one. So it is what it is. So once all of the rockers are put back in, I like to pull one of the cam caps off at a time, put some ultra slick in there. I always try and put assembly lube back on anything when I take it apart. It just helps when you fire this thing back up. Yeah, everything wasn't cleaned, but it still needs proper oil. So torque those cam caps down to 84 inch-pounds and everything will be okay there. Then I went through, I sped this up a little bit and I put ultra slick on every cam lobe so that way I could make sure that everything had good lube when this thing fires up. Don't be surprised when you get a little rattle when you fire this up. These are hydraulic lifters in here, and when you're turning all this stuff over repeatedly and working on it, you're going to pump some of the oil out of the lifters, so you might have a momentary rattle when you first start it up. So all our ultra slicks on. Now I'm cleaning my valve cover gasket up, and I do want to show you guys a couple spots on this gasket. Make sure it gets good and clean because we need to put a little RTV on these two corners up here where they contact the area of the front cover and the cylinder head. So right here's that area. If you don't put some RTV on there, you will end up with a little bit of an oil leak possibly. So here's the RTV going on. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Hopefully it wasn't too quick and for you guys. So stay tuned for the next one. Check out some of these other ones that I have here.